Earthquake is any sudden shaking of the ground caused by the passage of seismic wave through earth rocks. There are specific actions that earthquake preparedness experts suggest as to drop, cover, and hold on. These simple steps have been known to save lives and reduce your risk of death or injury. During earthquake, drop to the floor, take cover under a study desk or table, and hold on to it firmly. After shaking off grounds, run to a place that you are safety, like open places that are far away from things to fall like buildings, trees, and wire of electricity.